If your Ford J series engine is leaking from behind the oil filter base, most likely it's this gasket that's leaking. This is the part number that you need, and basically this sits in the groove here in the back of this oil filter base. The reason I have this one off is this engine originally had a forward facing oil filter, and that interfered with the front differential. This one unfortunately does have a few impact marks here, but I don't think that should be an issue. And this is the oil cooler. That has some gaskets that are separate, but for now I'm just going to replace the gasket here. Just going to fit it in the groove. It does protrude quite a bit, so I don't think we should need any sort of additional sealing.